Triumph has been teasing the all-new Daytona Moto2 765 for the last few weeks on social media, but today it was officially launched in England. Triumph is calling their new Daytona Moto2 765 the ultimate edition of their legendary Supersport Championship winning bike. They have promised that this is the closest thing a consumer is ever going to get to a genuine Moto2 factory ride for the road. Now, let's go into details on what makes this bike so unique. Designed by the same expert team that developed the Moto2 engine, the new Daytona Moto2 765 limited edition features a unique Moto2 derived triple engine, delivering Triumph's highest ever power and torque from a production 765. With peak power of 130 PS at 12,250 RPM and peak torque at 80 Nm at 9,750 RPM, the new engine delivers race-bred power and performance for the road. And that exciting upgrade can be felt low down and across the entire rev range with a unique tune and advanced ECU from the Street Triple RS. The engine features a number of components and performance upgrades derived directly from the Moto2 engine department program, including titanium inlet valves, stronger pistons, MotoGP spec DLC coated gudgeon pins, new cam profiles, new intake trumpets, modified con rods, intake port, crank, and barrels, and an increased compression ratio. The engine is also higher revving than the Street Triple RS engine by 600 RPM, with the redline now up to 13,250 RPM. The new Daytona Moto2 765 limited edition also features a new exhaust system with a beautifully TIG-welded high-performance Moto2-inspired aero titanium race can, delivering that unbelievable Moto2 sound. Developed bespoke just basically means real fancy in English, for Triumph for this new model, the new side-mounted upswept style silencer has been optimized for performance, reliability, efficiency, and lightness. As the closest you can get to the genuine Moto2 factory ride for the road, the new Daytona Moto2 765 limited edition features a new gearbox with track-optimized gear ratios. The first gear ratio has been directly informed by the Moto2 engine development program. The highest ever specification of Triumph's championship winning racer, the new Daytona Moto2 will feature superbike spec lightweight Brembo Stylimo brakes. Compact and carefully sculpted, these are Brembo's highest performance brakes for immediate response, chosen for their durability on track and quick cooling. Other premium components from Brembo include the span and ratio adjustable brake levers and MCS radial master cylinder. The new Daytona also features Pirelli's latest generation highest performance road tire, the Diablo Supercosa SP tire, optimized for road and track precision. And then there's the specific race-proven Öhlins front and rear suspension, 43mm front forks, and the TTX 36 rear shock, both fully adjustable for rebound, compression, and rebound. On top of the highest ever specification and higher capacity engine, the new Daytona Moto2 is now even lighter than the previous Daytona for maximum agility and dynamic race-inspired ride. This is developed by a lighter weight main frame and swing arm, in addition to a new lightweight full carbon bodywork. The new Daytona also features the lightest wheels in its class, sporty 5-spoke 17-inch cast aluminum alloys for maximum agility and exceptional handling, with race-developed anti-slip high-gloss black paint. The eagerly anticipated new Daytona Moto2 765 limited edition shares the same precision-perfect chassis as the Moto2 engine development prototype and the BSB championship winning and multiple Isle of Man TT Supersports winning Daytona R. This is due to its unbeatable agility and precision, which on top of the highest ever specification makes this new model as the most dynamic and precise handling Daytona ever produced. Designed for exceptional road and track capability, the new Daytona has a pure single-seat setup, reducing weight and reinforcing its sporting intent. There's also a new smoother track-optimized seat material that enables rider movement across the seat, and a race-inspired rear pad integrates into the rear bodywork. A significantly higher level of modern technology is now featured as standard on the new Daytona Moto2 765 limited edition, including category-leading full-color TFT instruments with a unique new Moto2 Triumph co-branded startup graphic and live timer, making this the most technological advanced Daytona ever. Also, for the first time ever on a Daytona, riders can take advantage of 5 new riding modes: rain, road, rider configurable, sport, and track, all of which adjust the throttle map, traction control settings, and ABS settings to suit the riding style and road conditions, enabled via ride-by-wire. Track ready and performance focused, the new Daytona Moto2 765 Limited Edition also features Triumph Shift Assist as standard, the up and down quick shifter for clutchless gear changes, perfect for focused riding and track enthusiasts. In true racing style, the new Daytona Moto2 765 Limited Edition features a new lightweight full carbon bodywork consisting of a new single-piece cockpit, full fairing, restyled rear unit, front mudguard, hugger, upper chain guard, and race spec lower chain guard. Inspired by the Union Jack style livery of the Moto2 engine development bike, the new Daytona Moto 765 Limited Edition features official Moto2 branding and a unique paint scheme in carbon black, graphite gray, and aluminum silver, with a unique distinctive exposed carbon fiber effect and aluminum silver tank decals. Completing its performance-focused poison style, the main frame and swing arm have a distinctive clear anodized finish, significantly reducing weight versus traditional powder coating. This, along with the characteristic twin headlight, rear paddock stand bobbins, and LED indicators, make the stylish new Daytona Moto2 765 ready for any road or track. With a limited run of only 765 motorcycles for the US and Canada, and 765 for Europe, Asia, and the rest of the world, the new Daytona Moto2 765 Limited Edition is rare, special, and is truly unique, and the customer demand to date has been overwhelmingly positive. Each bike features a beautiful billet machine Moto2 branded aluminum top yoke displaying its laser-etched unique limited edition number. I'm going to throw the full specification list on the screen right now in case I forgot something in the last few minutes. If you've made it this far, you might as well hit that subscribe button so I know that you're out there and I know that you like what I'm doing. That's all I have right now, guys. Thanks so much and ride safe this weekend.